Probably.
Let's see it go.
Ready? No, just don't hurt yourself.
Our next competitor, and again the final competitor, the first round of the Rough Truck Mayhem, presented by Danny Dale State. Up in the low section.